All right, so here's the plan. I've dropped the kayak off about 23 miles north of here at the top of the other trailhead, and I'm about to do a 3-day hike north. Once I get up there, I'm gonna put my pack into a dry bag and ride the kayak back down the river to right over there. Wish me luck. Looks like I found the perfect spot to break for lunch, read part of my book, relax a little bit, set my hammock up, enjoy some nature, and check some cool stuff out. Well, made it back. I would have stayed another night, but apparently it's gonna rain 100% guaranteed all day tomorrow. Pretty sure I did about 40 miles on foot between today and yesterday, right around there. And then, man, I underestimated the trek back on the kayak. It took me 3.5 hours non-stop. I mean, I was kind of chasing sundown, obviously, and I didn't want to be on the river when it was dark. So I flew just as hard as I could. But yeah, like 3.5 hours on the kayak to get all the way back here. So it's definitely an adventure. I saw about 6 or 7 deer swim across the creek right in front of me. That was pretty cool. There was a bobcat prowling on the edge. I've never seen that before on the creek. It was pretty cool. I could have done without the coyotes last night. I never actually saw one, thank Lord. It was just off in the distance, but that was one for the ages.